Meet Mr. Grotheshwar. Growth is in his name, but not in his business. Cold messaging and calling is his favorite strategy. He is listed in all the marketplaces from Viber to Downwork, but still waiting for his dream client. Now meet my favorite, Lead Sharma. Once a freelancer, now a happy agency founder. Process and automation is his favorite strategy. Trust me, he hates cold calling, but clients love calling him and book his meeting. Now, closing deals is just not his work, but his amazing style.
Your choice today will define the future of your business tomorrow. So आप ही decide करें, what do you want to be? Grotheshwar या Lead Sharma? The choice is yours. So choose accordingly. Well, AdMe does that for you with its lifetime mentorship program, which is Asia's #1 digital marketing and agency leadership course with a plethora of success stories of freelancers and agency owners from across the globe. With our 360-degree business learning framework, we help you get started as a freelancer and transform you into a successful multinational agency owner, building an inbound model for you that will help you get clients even when you are sleeping. Our Lighthouse Strategy will help you build automated lead generation engine that converts stranger into followers and follower into paying clients. With internship and access to live projects will help you master advertisement psychology and world-class ad copywriting skills that will help you to get into the heads of your customers, and of course master all the free traffic sources that will help you generate clients around the year. And most importantly, learn the exact pattern how world-class multinational agency owners think and act. And of course, lifetime access to Planet's largest learning management system that contains all the live classes as study materials. All that you need to do is you need to visit AdMe website, download the syllabus and book a trial session for you, and you are done. What are you still waiting for? Click on the link below and book a counseling for yourself, and see you on the other side.